cop something? Are we gonna cop? They're refreshing, bro. Come on. Come on with it, bro. It's 11. It's 11. It's 11.
This is straight. Yes, sir. Damn, energy boy called on about another. Overall, it's a pretty good shoot.
I let her blue race, she to my pet.
Oh, dope.
Her DD did sex, I got it.
It just hopped with Paul George's.
Don't mean that it's beige. I clean up real nice, I don't got.
Yes, sir.
All right, bro. We've already took an L with Nike sneakers. Now, we cannot take 2 L's. I want to use Supbot, bro. But I want to go manual at the same time, simply because, wait, hold on. Yes, sir! This is your boy Cole back with another video, bro. Yeah, we took that L, bro, but we gotta come back strong. We gotta come back strong. So I really want to go manual, like, for real. But, like, the way it's looking for me right now, bro, it's not looking too bright. So what I'm gonna do, bro, is that I'm gonna use Supbot. We're gonna use Supbot again. I'm gonna show you live what I'm about to do. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for the most littest and funniest live cops. We're about to go for the Supreme Champion shirt. About to go for it in white, and we're about to go for it in small, bro. If I don't cop this, I might retire. Literally, add item, bam. So we went for that. Low-key kind of want to go for a crew neck. I'm not even too sure about none of this. All right, I might just start the bot. Screen recording is already started, bro. I don't really have time for this. Should I go for another item? Let me show y'all my options, my settings, blah, 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 blah. Y'all see it, Don't really have time to talk. Crew neck. Can't do it. Start bot. Bro, y'all seen, bro. If you follow me on Instagram, whoa. Okay, I was tripping. If you follow me on Instagram, bro, like, y'all seen the waffles was just a dub, but here we go. Supbot will begin to refresh 10 seconds before the drop. Current time, 10:59 and 22 seconds. Good luck today. Please DM or tweet us any W's. I know I said I was not finna do Supbot again, bro, but it's because, like, I'm such in a rush and I have to change my card information. I'm not trying to be on that, bro. So, and I'm tired of, like, Nike sneakers. I be thinking, like, manual, that's probably the way to go. Maybe it is the way to go on Supreme, but at least on Nike sneakers, bro, it's gotta be some hack that y'all are doing. Oh, whoa, here we go. Time to find out now. Are we gonna cop anything? Are we gonna cop something? Are we gonna cop? They're refreshing, bro, come on. Come on with it, bro. It's 11. It's 11. It's 11. It's 11, come on, bro. We cannot go out bad again, bro. I'll refuse, bro. Yo, what is good, bro? Like, Supreme, what are y'all on? Already looking like a dub. Bro, it's already looking like a dub. This stuff hasn't even dropped yet. I'm on my data, and I'm just looking at this. Bro, I have 1 bar right now. Like, I want to go to my Wi-Fi, bro, but it's like, it can really drop anytime now because it's 11. Come on, bro. Man, boy, would I have been sick if I went manual. I mean, I might be sick regardless, bro. Come on, bro. I cannot afford another L, bro. Comment what y'all copped in the section below. Ooh, okay. Wait. No. No, bro. I'm not going, bro. Oh my God, bro. Again, it did the same thing again, bro. it didn't even, it sold out before I even got there. I'm using Supbot though. Bro, what is, no, bro.
Everything you know is in your mind.
What is this? Like what? Bro, what is this, bro? What is this? I'm not going. Bro, I'm not, no, bro. I refuse to just lose like that, bro. I lost all day. I lost on the LD waffles. I lost on the Blazer mids, the Sakai's. And then I lost in Supreme, bro. Every 30 minutes I lost today, bro. 10 o'clock, the Sakai LD waffles drop. 10:30, the Sakai Blazers drop, bro. And now Supreme drops at 11, bro. And I'm still taking the L, bro. Now my Wi-Fi want to tweak, bro. I connected it. I don't understand how it's sold out and I'm using Supbot, bro. Like, bro, my app is mine gotta need updating, bro. Like, bro. Bro.